All the banter, just one answer, I'm an animal. I'm just one man, outstanding though. Part wolf, part king, part Hannibal. Example rules are built like I'm mechanical. On the mic, I'm a cannibal. You don't know who I'm family to. You don't know my team, you don't know my man's do.